Welcome to my Nigerian food vlog. Today I share with you another Yoruba recipe made with corn. This meal here is called Ogi Eda. It is enjoyed by the Kwara and Ilorin people of Nigeria. If you're not following this channel, this is a Nigerian food recipes channel where I post so many amazing Nigerian food recipes. Here is another white corn recipe called Egbo, enjoyed with beans and Nigerian stew. A few days ago, I posted another corn recipe on how to make Nigerian pap from scratch at home. If you love to eat moi moi, here is a moi moi recipe for you, okay? So now, let's cook. This right here is white corn. It has been peeled and crushed, but it is not crushed enough. So I'm going to still crush it further until I get this kind of coarse texture. Now I'm going to feel it just to know if I need to crush it further or the crushing is okay. But with what I can feel with the texture, I can feel with my fingers, yes, this is perfect. So if you are looking for Nigerian cooking videos where you can learn how to cook Nigerian food, uh, this is where you should be. Make sure you subscribe. In my pot, I've added some water and then I'll add some of the corn grits into the water. The heat here is high heat, okay? I'll mix this up very well because the corn grits has the tendency of settling at the bottom of the pot. And once this happens and you don't mix it well, it will burn. I'll cook it for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I'm going to check my corn grits again just to ensure that we're on track. You can see that it has settled at the bottom again. So I'm going to mix this up again very well. I believe Ghanaians have, a recipe like this. Ghanaians enjoy this kind of meal too. I also believe that they call it Ekuegbeemin. Yes, if you're a Ghanaian watching this video, let me know if this is true, okay? After mixing it up very well, I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt and sugar to give my ogieda a little bit of taste. Okay, now let me say this: if you're not following this channel yet, if you're not subscribing to this channel yet, what is stopping you? On this channel, I have so many Nigerian food recipes for you. Yes, if you're wondering how to make Nigerian food, then this channel is where you should be. So make sure you like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe. At this point, I decided to taste my ogieda just to know if the taste is fine and if it's properly cooked. And no, it's not properly cooked yet, so I'm adding some more water. This is another great thing with this meal. By the time you're done cooking it, it literally doubles up in size. And I should tell you, you can make this meal with sorghum, that is red sorghum, or you can use white corn, okay? But for this recipe, I decided to use white corn. I'm going to cover this and cook it for another 7 minutes. Yes. So after that 7 minutes, it's still not properly cooked. So I'm adding some more water again. This is the reason why I told you that this meal literally doubles in size by the time you're done cooking. Also, the reason why it seems like I'm adding so much water is because I decided not to soak the corn before cooking. Some people will soak the corn for about 2 days before cooking, but I decided no. Anyway, I'm cooking for 5 minutes. This is what my corn looks like again after 5 minutes. You can see that it thickens every time I cook it. I just added more sugar because the size has doubled, okay? The quantity has doubled, so I need more sugar to give it, more taste. And I'm mixing it up again very well. At this point, if you've watched my video to this point, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this channel. And also click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post my Nigerian cooking videos. This is the channel for you if you are interested in Nigerian cooking videos. I just want to taste my ogieda to ensure that, the taste conforms with what I want and it is properly cooked at this point. So yes, I'm going to serve it and enjoy it with milk. Some people love to enjoy this with moi moi. Some people love to enjoy it with akara. The great thing about this meal is it is wholesome, it is healthy. Yes, it is wholesome and healthy, and you should try it, okay? Before I finish this video, I need to tell you, thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate the time you spend on my channel watching my videos. I'm adding some milk because today I decided to add milk. I decided, let me just enjoy my life today, okay? And I'll also be adding some almonds. Some people love to enjoy this with peanuts, cashew nuts, but today I decided to add some almonds. Don't forget, good food should be enjoyed always. Bye.